Most people think AI will take their jobs. But let me tell you something honestly. AI didn't take my freelancing job. AI multiplied my freelancing income by 10 times. I went from 300 per month to 3000 per month doing the same time of work but just smarter. And no, I didn't fake anything. I didn't scam any clients, and I didn't press any magical button to make money. What actually changed was how fast I could work. It doesn't matter if you are a video editor, graphics designer, developer, content writer, animator, or any kind of freelancer. In this video, I'll show you how AI make my freelancing 10 times faster and how you can use AI to make your freelancing faster too in your field. Not theory, not hype, just real workflow changes that actually work. Before AI, my freelancing looked like this. I work in 2D game character design and animation service on Fiverr and Upwork. When a client came in, I had to think about the concept art, then I had to create the sketch completely from scratch. I had to wait for feedback from the clients. If they didn't like it, I had to redo the sketch. Then I had to manually color everything, think about color harmony for every tiny part, and only then I was able to move towards rigging and animation process. Sounds normal, right? But here's the painful truth. One simple character design used to take me 5 to 6 days. Even with a small team, speed was the biggest enemy. I wasn't short on clients, I was short on time. And then something happened. AI entered in the game. ChatGPT introduced structured, accurate, professional prompting for creative work, especially for 2D character designs. ChatGPT was the first AI that could match the prompt with the visuals of a 2D character. And that's when I made a decision most freelancers are scared to make. At that time, I was earning only around 300 per month from freelancing, but I decided to pay $20 per month for ChatGPT. That might sound small to you now, but back then it was a real decision for me because I had to manage my team and every other things on $300, and $20 was approximately 7% of my total income. And here's the crazy part. That very same month, I made $1,500 just from freelancing, and ChatGPT helped me to make every penny of this amount. That's when I understood something important. Look, AI didn't bring me clients, AI didn't magically do the work, but AI removed the slowest and most painful parts of my workflow. Many people may think, oh, so you just let AI do everything. No, that's not how professional freelancing works. AI didn't replace my skills, AI made my skill 10 times faster. Let's see how AI actually helped me. Today, most birds come with AI-generated reference themselves, and honestly, that's amazing because I no longer need to guess what they want. And when a client came with only a brief, I do this. I take their exact requirement and ask ChatGPT, here's what my client wants, generate a sketch concept based on this. But here's the key, you must be a pro prompt writer for this part. You can't miss even a small detail from the client. Once I get the sketch, I show it to the client. And guess what? 90% of the time, they approve it instantly. Even if they ask for changes, they are minor, and I don't have to deal with endless sketch revisions anymore. After that, based on the client's color reference, I asked ChatGPT to create a colored version. Again, ChatGPT creates this for me, although it's not the final production art, but it's a perfect color guidance. And now, the hardest creative decisions are already done. This is the part where professionalism really matters. I want to be very clear about one thing. I don't deliver AI-generated art directly to clients. What I do instead is, once the sketch and color reference are approved, I hand those references over to my team. Then my team takes care of proper manual coloring, clean and consistent line work, separating every body part into correct layers, preparing everything as production-ready game assets. And these steps are extremely important because doing the final work manually builds long-term trust with clients, avoid any copyright or ownership confusion, and ensures there are zero issue when the game is published on platforms like Steam. So the workflow is simple. AI helps with guidance, humans deliver the final product. And this is where everything truly changed. I didn't suddenly learn new skills, I didn't lower my quality, I didn't become less professional, and I didn't hire more people. I was still doing the same work, but now the process was much faster. Work that used to take 5 or 6 full days now takes less than a day. And when our work becomes faster, you can take more projects, you can deliver on time, and you can scale your income. That's how 300 per month become 3000 per month. Not by working harder, but by working smarter. And here's the most important part. This is not just about game artists. No matter what freelancing field you are in, AI can multiply your output. If you are a video editor, tools like Google Veo 3.1, Kling AI, or Sora 2 can change everything. You can generate B-roll videos instantly, create cinematic scenes without shooting anything, even you can build animated infographics in minutes instead of hours. In this video, I explained exactly how you can do that. Check the link in description. So things that used to take a full day can now be done in minutes. If you are a designer or illustrator, AI can help you generate concept art, create mood boards, explore color palettes instantly, speed up sketching and revisions. You still finalize the design, but AI removes the slow brainstorming phase. If you are a motion designer, you can generate motion ideas, storyboard complex animations, and you can create infographic elements faster. You can focus on timing and polishing, and AI handles the heavy prep work. If you are a developer, you can build entire website or app or any software without writing a single line of code using some free AI tool. In this video, I explained how you can do it just using a free AI tool, and you can fix bugs much faster. You can build MVPs in days instead of weeks. AI doesn't replace logic, it just removes repetitive coding. If you are a writer or content creator, you can generate outlines, prove clarity, speed up research, and create scripts faster. So the voice stays yours, AI just accelerates the process. And here's the rule you must understand. AI should not replace your skill. AI should remove the slowest part of your workflow. If you do that, your income will no longer grow slowly. It will jump. So that's exactly how I scale my freelancing income. Not by cheating, not by cutting quality, but by working faster, smarter, and more professionally. I do freelancing in Fiverr. If you want to do freelancing as well, you can check the Fiverr's link in description, and if you click over that, you can just create your account just using your Gmail. People who make money are not those who make themselves perfect before doing anything, but those who have a little bit experience, and with AI they make things perfect. But there is one important thing that they follow. That is first action. And that's why if you want to get into freelancing, then you need to act first. Today, you should just create your Fiverr account just by clicking over the link in the description, and you can create the account directly with your Gmail. So start today and things will get perfect day by day. Let me end with this. AI is not here to replace skilled freelancers. AI is here to replace slow workflows. People who win are not the ones who fear AI, but the ones who learn to use it professionally. Let me tell you one thing honestly. If you are still doing everything manually in 2026, you are not working harder, you are working slower. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more real freelancing strategies, no fake gurus, no hype, just what actually works. And comment below what's your freelancing field and how you are using AI right now, and what's your interested niche that you want to do freelancing. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video.